crud. Hello my TK makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here again, it makes me super happy. And welcome you, if this is the first time you see my face. I mean, one of my many faces. Don't forget to subscribe, click the, down below, click the red subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. I'm super excited about this Halloween makeup. By the way, this month is crazy. I'm releasing one video every day, so make sure you check out my previous videos and come back tomorrow for another one. But yeah, super excited about this vlog. It's got a perfect, I think, combination of glamorous and beauty look, but also enough blood to be Halloween efficient. So I'm really happy and it turned out exactly the way I had it in mind, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So without further ado, I'm going to let you watch the tutorial and I'll see you at the end. So hot. Okay guys, I'm ready to start this skin mask tutorial for Halloween, and the first thing I will do is I will moisturize my skin. I always do, it's important, and then I will keep quiet because it's super hot and I need my fan so I don't sweat and ruin the makeup. So let's moisturize first. Okay, now that our canvas is properly oiled, I'm going to use a primer. Okay, step 3, foundation. Don't be blurry. So my skin is super oily and it's super hot, so I'm gonna set the foundation with loose powder. Now I'm going to do contouring and highlighting, and I'm going to use two palettes. I'm going to start, almost dropped it, with this one. Okay, now we can highlight. And I'm going to use, which one should I use? Because I used bronze for my cheeks, but if I use this it's going to be too dark. I think I will use a really bright one, this one. Okay, now I'm going to fix my eyebrows a little bit because we don't want to have holes in our eyebrows, right? Not very sexy. I'm just gonna brush them and fill in the holes with black eyeshadow. Now it's time to do the eye makeup, and I've already done one, obviously, and this is what it's going to look like. Alright, so I'm going to start by applying primer on my lid. Now for the outer corner of my lid, I'm going to start with this color. This is my contouring palette, and then I will put on an even darker brown in the very, very corner of my eye. Now for the inner corner of my eye, I'm using an almost white eyeshadow. It's slightly pink. And now I'm gonna blur both eyeshadows with this bronze color from my contouring palette. Okay, now I'm going to illuminate the inner corner of my eye with this highlight. Yeah. Okay, now let's give that eye a wink with black eyeliner. And now it's time for eyelashes. Okay, now let's move on to the bottom lid. I'm going to start by applying a black jumbo crayon on my waterline. Okay, now on the roots of my eyelashes, I'm putting on the same dark brown I put in the outer corner of my eye. Okay guys, I'm almost done with the eyes. I'm going to use a glitter primer and put on the same glitter I put on the side, right on top of the brown I just applied. Let's add a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes and we are done with the eye makeup. Okay, I'm going now to do the lips and I'm gonna use a NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lips. Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the color of Sandstorm. Yay! I'm finished with the beauty part. Now it's time to move on to the gory part of this makeup, and I'm going to start by sketching the shape of the mask, the skin mask that I've made yesterday, and you can see me making it in the corner in this very fast forward video. So I'm gonna put it where I want it to be. I want it to not hide my eyebrows so that I can keep them, and I'm going to put it somewhere here, yes. And then with a crayon, I'm going to sketch the shape. I'm going to use a pink crayon because then inside it's going to be pink, red, and bloody looking. So it's the right color to use for this. So put it where you want it to be. Press hard overline. Okay, now I'm going to add fake skin with liquid latex. Okay, I'm done with the latex, but you should know that I repeated this step 3 times in order to have texture and, you know, more layers of latex that I can work on and like pull and rip and make it look like it's real skin. Now we're gonna paint the inside and make it look like it's flesh, sculpted flesh and bloody and very painful. Okay, now I'm going to pull the latex a little bit here and there so you can actually see it and it looks like, you know, I was sculpted. Okay, now to make the scalp, the wound, more three-dimensional, I'm going to highlight it with concealer. Okay guys, we are at the end of the tutorial. Now I'm going to put on fake blood everywhere with an old sponge like this. And I'm gonna tap the blood on my sculpt face. Well, I think I'm finished. I just changed something a little bit here. What I did is I smoothed the edges. I just blurred it out, you know, and now I'm gonna use a black eyeliner and reinforce the depth of the wound. Okay guys, I'm almost finished. I just want to add a little bit of blood all around my mask to make it look gory. And that will be it. I will change into a black dress and that's it. Well guys, that's it. I'm finished and I'm super pumped, happy, excited, and like shocked that this is actually me. It really looks kind of disgusting, you know? It's pretty cool, and you know the best part is it's easy to do. So if you want to look both sexy and really gory for Halloween, this look is for you. It's easy to do, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment, and I will see you tomorrow with another Halloween makeup. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. You should have, because I asked you to at the beginning of the video. And follow me on Instagram, and see you tomorrow with another Halloween makeup. I love it. I'm gonna go see my mom like this. Maybe I should go grocery shopping like this, should I? It's not gonna be very convenient shopping with one hand, but then all the looks, it's gonna be worth it. I think I'll do it. Anyway, gotta go. Bye.